There's only a certain amount of screws.
This is going to be one hell of a lunchroom.
For who, you? You're gonna fry pizza for us?
Absolutely. I'm going to get the pole for the pole dancer right in here.
Yeah. Jim, Victor, Jamie, Dave.
You want to pull these staples out here first or what?
Yeah, I'll pull the staples out.
Pull the staples out of this too?
Yeah, you gotta take all the staples out.
Wow.
Yeah, look
The
at
boards are going to have all the hook ones in
We're
there.
gonna resell it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that here.
Once we put it all together, we're gonna resell it. Then we take it all back.
Oh, look at that. Were you just going back for that or?
No, I was doing the drop off.
I did a tree drop.
Yeah, no, let's get it first.
Yeah, very nice.
Hammer? Yeah, hammer. Look at that hammer.
What are you selling?
If you want to, I don't think my dad's gonna support it. Because I saw him look at his eyes, I was like, oh, that ain't.
We're getting a bar in here. We're getting a pole. And the pole cats are going to be a live show for the guys at lunch.
I think that's too much. Let me know if that side goes up. Huh?
It's going the wrong way.
The wrong way. How is that? That corner's gotta come up, I think. Alright, let me push in here.
And there you have it.